Hey guys, PepperAmmy here, and this week we are going to be making a creamy asparagus wrapped in puff pastry. Now for this we will need some pre-made puff pastry, either a block or rolled. Some cream cheese, you can also use flavoured cream cheese here, it's completely up to you. Some sliced cooked hams, optionally you can have smoked ham as well, that works very well for this recipe. And of course a bunch of asparagus spears with the ends trimmed off, and finally 1 egg for egg washing the pastry. Now to start we want to preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius and line a baking tray with baking paper. Now if you have a block of dough you want to roll it out until it's around 30 by 30 centimeters and then cut it into quarters. If you're using pre-rolled dough, like I am, you may be able to get up to 6 squares out of one sheet and then have a little bit extra on the end. Once you have your squares, spread some of your cream cheese on each square, leaving a gap around the outside. And then wrap 3 to 4 asparagus spears in 1 slice of ham, and then gently place in the middle of the square, laying them diagonally. And then fold the other 2 corners on top to make the wrap. And then beat your egg and gently brush the pastry. This will give it a nice golden finish. Once you have wrapped all of your parcels, simply place them on the baking tray and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the pastry is puffed and golden brown on top. Now serve immediately. I personally served these with some roasted vegetables and they went down amazingly. Now these are best enjoyed hot, but you can enjoy these cold. They really do still taste good cold. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'm sorry for the lack of videos recently. We've had a lot of stuff going on. I'm considering making a channel update about it. But now I have a new weekly schedule plan, and every day I have a task that hopefully gets me to a video going live on Friday. Once again guys, I hope you have enjoyed this, and I hope you do decide to make this recipe. This is an absolutely amazing recipe to make, and it is really simple. Thanks for watching, and I will hopefully catch you next week.